Good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS class. We have been discussing about different types of birds. Today, let us continue our discussion on beaks of birds. Children, birds do not have teeth. They cannot chew their food. They have beaks for taking in their food. Shape and size of the beak is different in different birds. It depends on the food they eat. Birds have sharp beaks to get food, carry materials to build their nest, or attack an enemy. Let us study about different types of beaks. Students, birds like owls, vultures, hawks, and kites have strong, sharp, and curved beaks for tearing flesh. Birds like kingfishers have sharp and long beaks to catch fish and eat them. Birds like sparrows, pigeons, and peacocks have short, hard, and cone-shaped beaks to pick and crush nuts, grains, and seeds. Hummingbirds have a long, thin, and pointed beaks to help them suck nectar from flowers. Birds like parrots have hooked beaks to crack nuts and hard fruits. Students, now let us check your understanding on this topic. Your first question is: owls and vultures have a strong, sharp, and curved beaks for dash. Did you understand the question? Question is: owls and vultures have a strong, sharp, and curved beaks for dash. Options are sucking nectar, tearing flesh, and crushing nuts. And your answer is tearing flesh. Children, here comes your second question. Dash have a long, thin, and pointed beaks to help them suck nectar from flowers. I repeat the question. Dash have a long, thin, and pointed beaks to help them suck nectar from flowers. Your options are vulture, Indian robin, and hummingbirds. And the answer is hummingbirds. Children, here comes your last question. Birds like parrots have dash beaks to crack nuts and hard fruits. I repeat, birds like parrots have dash beaks to crack nuts and hard fruits. Your options are hooked beaks, curved beaks, and cone-shaped beaks. Can you guess? And the answer is hooked beak. Children, please write down these MCQs in your EVS notebook and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.